So this is a fun busy board if you're trying to do bilingual speech. It has a fun owl speaker. You turn it on and off. It actually came with 3 AAA batteries in the back, so you don't have to buy them, which is pretty cool. And you can switch the language right there. And you can hit hat, and then switch it again. So it says hat. Hit, which one do you want to press? Hit the train.
The train.
Now hit switch language. And hit it again.
El tren.
Yeah, so we have transportation, toys, food, shapes, body parts, and you have like different color phrases. You have actions, clothes, animals, home objects, environment, and it'll help teach you Spanish. It also has music. So that's fun. You can turn the volume. You like the music?
Quiz.
Yeah.
Genial. Juguemos a un juego.
You like the music? Yeah, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.